Hello children, good morning to you all. So yesterday we have done with the define the following and some part of teaching is left which I am going to continue today. So let us begin our class on latitudes and longitudes. Okay, so if I show you, I am talking about the grid. What is grid? Grid is a network of latitudes and longitudes on the globe. These are latitudes, horizontal parallel lines. These are longitudes. In this way. So, this is North Pole and this is South Pole. Okay. So, what happens? These latitudes and longitudes, they cross each other. Longitude is crossing the latitudes. Latitudes are crossing the longitudes. In this way, by crossing them, they form the network of grids. They form the network of grids. So these grids are very useful to locate the place. What are grids? Grids are the network of latitudes and longitudes. Okay, these are latitudes, these are longitudes. They cross each other, means they intersect each other almost in all through and form the network or grids. These grids are useful in locating the places that I have already taught you. Now, I am going to show you the differences between latitudes and longitudes. We can find 5 to 6 differences between latitudes and longitudes, children. How latitudes are different from longitudes? You are going to make out the difference. Understand the difference between latitudes and longitudes. One first thing is, latitudes are horizontal lines. And longitudes are vertical lines. Okay. Latitudes are horizontal lines and longitudes are vertical lines. Second, latitudes are circles, complete circles, whereas longitudes are semicircles. Latitudes are circles, longitudes are semicircles, and latitudes are drawn from west to east. Latitudes are drawn from west to east. And longitudes are drawn from north to south. North to south. So, latitudes are horizontal lines, whereas longitudes are vertical lines. Latitudes are circles, longitudes are semicircles. Latitudes are drawn from west to east and longitudes are drawn from north to south. And fourth is total number of latitudes 180 degrees, whereas total number of longitudes 360. Then divide the earth into, let it be, and fifth, they determine the weather and climate. Whereas they determine time. They determine time. Last one, 0 degree latitude is equator. Here 0 degree longitude. Longitude is called prime meridian. Their size decreases towards poles. Their size remains same. Remains same everywhere. last one, they are parallel to each other. They are not parallel. So these are the differences between the latitudes and longitudes. These are the differences between the latitudes and longitudes. Okay, so when we compare both of them, after this I will show in the form of diagram also how they look different. Understand? Horizontal and vertical lines there. So what is the difference? How can we understand is the point. When we studied about both latitudes and longitudes. When we compare both of them, we will come to know about the differences between the two. What differences they have? Latitudes are the horizontal lines. They are drawn from west to east, whereas longitudes are vertical lines. They are vertical lines. Okay, means they are drawn from north. Latitudes are complete circles. First of all, latitudes are the horizontal lines I have already shown many times. Longitudes are vertical lines. Latitudes are complete circles, whereas longitudes are semicircles. Okay, semi means half circle. And latitudes are drawn from west to east, whereas longitudes are drawn from north to south, top to bottom. Total number of latitudes is 180 degrees. Total number of longitudes from equator to north pole and south pole total is 180, whereas total number of longitudes is 360, double of it. Okay, then the latitudes determine the weather and climate of a place. Weather and climate of a place means they help us to know about the weather or climate of any place, whereas the longitudes determine time. Longitudes tell us about the time. They help us in calculating the time. 0 degree latitude is called equator, whereas 0 degree longitude is called prime meridian. Their size decreases from towards the poles. So latitude's size decreases, becomes smaller and smaller as we move from 0 degree latitude, from equator to the north pole, and as we move from equator to south pole. Understand? They are parallel and their size, longitude's size will not change anywhere. They are same, all the 360 longitudes, all the 360 longitudes are of the same size. Then latitudes are parallel lines. There is an equal gap all through. They never cross each other. Whereas they are not parallel. In the top gap is less, in the middle gap is more. Again it becomes less in the bottom. This way, these are the differences between latitudes and longitudes. So these are the differences between latitudes and longitudes. Latitudes are the horizontal lines, longitudes are the vertical lines. Latitudes are circles, longitudes are semicircles. Latitudes are drawn from west to east, longitudes are drawn from north to south. Total number of latitudes is 180 degrees. Total number of longitudes is 360 degrees. Latitudes determine the weather and climate of a place, whereas longitudes determine the time of a place. 0 degree latitude is called equator, 0 degree longitude is called prime meridian. Their size decreases when they move towards the poles. the size of the latitudes change, means they decrease, become smaller and smaller as we move towards the poles in both the sides. But the size of the longitudes remain the same everywhere. They are not in a different size. All the 360 degrees of longitudes are of the same size. Then latitudes are parallel to each other, whereas longitudes are not parallel to each other. This is about the differences between the latitudes and longitudes. And now I will show you the important latitudes in the diagram. And you have a diagram in the textbook. You are going to draw it. Latitudes, important latitudes diagram. And how I draw? You are drawing, taking a bangle, big one bangle, your mom's bangle you take, or with a divider, you can draw the important latitudes. Important latitudes. Okay. These important latitudes, let me show you first. I am showing in the form of a straight line. 23.5 degrees north. In the north they are measured with north. 66.5 degrees north. This is north. 23.5 degrees south latitude. 66.5 degrees south latitude and south pole. So now we have to write their names. You all know 0 degree latitude is equator. Here we cannot write inside the circle all the names. What you are going to do is, you are drawing with the pencil, down you are writing 0 degree latitude, equator. These are the names of important latitudes. Second, 23.5 degree north latitude, Tropic of Cancer. (23.5 degrees south latitude, Tropic of Capricorn. Tropic of Capricorn. Now 66.5 degrees north latitude, it is called Arctic Circle. And 66.5 degrees south latitude is called Antarctic Circle. Antarctic Circle. So these are the 5 main and important latitudes. These are the 5 main and important latitudes. You are going to give the heading important latitudes, and then you are drawing a circle, and you have in the textbook, I will give you page number plus photo also. Understand? Under it, leaving 2 lines, you are going to write like this. The names of the important latitudes. They are 0 degree latitude is called equator. 23.5 degrees north latitude is called Tropic of Cancer. 23.5 degrees south latitude is called Tropic of Capricorn. 66.5 degrees north latitude is called Arctic Circle, and 66.5 degrees south latitude is called Antarctic Circle. This is the way you are going to draw the important latitudes in your book, in your notebook. This is what for today. Actually, I have to teach you how the longitudes help us to calculate the time of eclipse. That I am going to show you tomorrow in short. Then I will start my notes. So this is the thing you have to know about and you have to draw. Okay, here we stop. Thank you, children.